Welcome to Java Technocrafts. In the previous session, we have covered deadlocks. So we understood how deadlocks occur, and we have taken some examples of real-time scenarios. In this session, we will speak about wait and notify while a couple of threads are communicating with each other. So let's try to understand with real-time example. So let's assume that we have a manufacturer who manufactures some items, right? So after manufacturing, he moves the goods to the inventory. So So basically, the inventory is filled if inventory levels are depleted below the threshold. So assume that there is a showroom which picks up the data from inventory. Usually, it checks the inventory before it places an order on behalf of the buyer. Right. So once the buyer is trying to buy an item, the showroom will try to check the inventory, and if there is any goods, then it places the order. If there is no goods, then it will wait for the manufacturer to fill the inventory. Then only it will be able to place the order for the buyer. Right. So basically, in this scenario, inventory is the key resource that is utilized or by manufacturer and the showroom. So basically, if the inventory is depleted, then manufacturer will acquire the log of inventory and try to fill the goods for it. If there are enough goods, then the log of the inventory will be available with the buyer or the showroom who can buy the items. Then manufacturer does not have the log to the inventory. So this is one of the real-time scenario wherein inventory places the is acts as a resource, and showrooms and the manufacturer are two threads which are accessing the inventory. And they are trying to lock if they are able to access it. For example, if a manufacturer is filling the inventory, then inventory will be locked by manufacturer and showroom will not have access to the inventory, and so he has to wait for the lock to be released. So to do that, basically we will have wait and notify. So in threads, right? So these are the two concepts where if there is no goods, then showroom will wait. So wait until the goods are filled, and once the manufacturer fills the goods, uh, fills with the items, then he notifies with the notify method so that the showroom will know that goods are filled and it will try to access the goods. So this is wait and notify. So showroom who is consuming the goods will wait, and not the manufacturer who is filling the goods will notify once the goods are filled. So hope the concept is clear. So with so let's jump into sample code, which we'll use for this similar example which we discussed. So I already have a class where thread communication. So as spoken, basically I have an inventory which is the key resource, right? So basically we have the manufacturer and the showroom. So basically, these two will have access to this inventory resource, which is the key mediator between the manufacturer and the showroom. So once this inventory is passed as an argument, they can be utilized to run wait and notify on these objects, right? So for example, if the manufacturer is trying to fill the goods, then he will ask after filling the goods, he can notify the showroom using the inventory object. For the example, if the showroom is trying to buy or place in any order, and if there is lack of inventory, then it will call the wait method on inventory. So the wait and notify are called on inventory, which is the key resource in this. So basically in the inventory, if the product is less than one, then we are asking to wait, right? And if the product is greater than or equal to 10, say for example we are putting the at least 10 goods, 10 items in the warehouse or the inventory. So if there are enough, then we can wait for then the manufacturer can wait to fill the goods. Right? Only if it exceeds it, then only it can fill the goods in the inventory. So that is all. Let's run the okay. Manufacturer added one item, so item the stock is one. So if it is zero, waiting product inventory is less than one. So this is the iterative process. So once the goods are not available, then the buyer will wait. If there are enough goods, then the manufacturer will wait to add the goods. So this is a simple example. If you have any questions, drop me in the comments so that I can acknowledge and answer them. Thanks for watching. Good day and bye.